Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Let us continue division algorithm of a polynomial by an. Okay, let us continue. You know the concept in the Euclidean division lemma b by q, where q is not equal to 0. Yeah, we have written like this, means p is equals to q into b by r, q into b by r. Okay, these we are taking as numbers or terms. These are we are taking as numbers or terms. Okay, this is the concept, that is dividend equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. This is the concept we are used remainder. Okay, here we are using the concept dividend equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So this is the concept we are using. So we can write now we are taking polynomials in the form of polynomials. P of x we are taking divided by g of x, where we are taking g of x is not equal to 0. The value will becomes p of x is equals to g of x plus into q of x plus r of x. Yeah, this value is become like this: p of x equals to g of x into q of x plus r of x. This value is becoming like this, where q of x is quotient, r of x is remainder, and this is dividend, and this is divisor. Yeah, this is the concept we use. Okay, let us continue with the exercise. Let us start exercise 3.4. Divide the polynomial p of x and g of x. Find the coefficient and remainder. Coefficient means finding the value of q of x, and remainder finding the value of r of x. Now this is the process we use: x square minus 2. This is the process we use: x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3. This is the process we will use. Take these values like this. Okay, now take first term x cube and take the first term x square, means how many times it goes? X. When you multiply x into x square, the value x cube comes, means x. Write the value x here. So multiply this x with x square minus 2. What is the value comes? X cube minus 2x. Okay, write x cube in the down of x cube and x down of x term. Okay, x, what is the value getting? X cube minus 2x. So we are writing x term down of x term only. Okay, now subtract this. Subtract, this is the value minus, it becomes, this is the plus value, so minus into plus, minus comes, this is minus into minus plus, this value becomes plus. So we have to add here my x cube minus x cube, this value is becoming 0, and minus 3x comes down, x square, and to 5x plus 2x, we are taking plus not the minus, so plus 7x, and this value comes down, this is value 3. Now again take like this. Now again minus 3x square divide by the first term x square, so this value becomes minus 3. When you multiply minus 3 with x square, the value comes. So take minus 3, this value is becoming minus 3, and this value becomes, multiply minus 3 with x square minus 2, minus 3x square plus 6, minus 3x square plus 6, means this value, x value becomes, this value becomes minus 3x square, and this is plus 6, this value is becoming like this. Subtract, subtract means minus into minus, this value becomes plus, minus into plus, this value becomes minus. Okay, minus 3x square plus 3x square, this value cancel out, and this value becomes 7x minus 3 minus 6, this value is becoming minus 9. Yeah, this is the remainder, this is the value of remainder, because this value is smaller than, we have the concept now x square, this value is x, so this is smaller than this, so this becomes the remainder, this becomes the quotient, this becomes the q of x. So what is the value of q of x? Is x minus 3, and what is the value of r of x? Is 7x minus 9. So finding the value of q of x and r of x, this is the value of q of x, and this is the value of r of x. Comes to the next question. Here another question is given as x power 4 minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5, and this is the value given x square plus 1 minus 6. So x power 4 minus plus 0x cube minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5, because x cube value is not given, so I am taking 0x cube. Okay, and here arrange from greater degree to smaller degree. So x square minus x plus 1. So write this, and now let us start the division method. Now write x square minus x plus 1. Now divide with this value. X power 4 plus 0x cube minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5. Now divide this method. Okay, now take x power 4 divided by x square. Cancel this 2 times. So x square. Now multiply x square with this. X square minus x plus 1. So x power 4 minus x cube plus x square. This value becomes like this. Okay, now write x square. Multiply these values. This value is becoming like this. So x power 4 minus x cube plus x square. Yeah, this is the value. Minus means minus into plus minus, minus into minus, this value becomes plus, minus into plus, this value is becoming minus. Okay, cancel it. Let x cube, and this is minus 3x square minus x square means minus 4x square, and let this value comes down. Okay, now let us continue. Divide x cube by x square. Okay, this value becomes x, means x. Now multiply this x means we have to add plus x. Okay, x into x square minus x plus 1. This value becomes x cube minus x square plus x. Okay, now write this in this down, means x cube minus x square plus x. This value is becoming like this. To subtract minus plus, this is minus, minus into minus, this value becomes plus, minus into plus, this value is becoming minus. So cancel this out. Minus into plus, this value is becoming minus 4x square plus x square minus 3x square. Now this value plus 4x minus x plus 3x, and let these values come down. Okay, again this value becomes x square, divide with minus 3x square. Okay, cancel this. Minus 3. Minus 3 means you have to put minus 3 here. Okay, multiply minus 3 with x square minus x plus 1. Okay, this value become minus 3x square plus 3x minus 3. This value is becoming like this. So write this down. Minus 3x square plus 3x minus 3. What is the value given? Subtract. Minus into minus, this value is becoming plus. Minus into plus, this value is becoming minus. Minus into minus, this value is becoming plus. So minus 3x square plus 3x square. Cancel. 3 plus 3x minus 3x. This value is also cancelled. Plus 5 plus 3. This value is becoming 8. So this is the remainder. This is remainder. This is q of x value. Okay, and given p of x and g of x values are given. So this is remainder r of x value. So what we got, q of x value is x square plus x minus 3, and r of x value is 8. So these are the required answer that we got. Okay, this completes the sum. Please like, share and subscribe. If you have any of the doubts, please comment me the questions. Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you so much.